Single speed versus fixed gear. What are the differences between single speed and fixed gear? In the world of two wheels, few debates can spark an impassioned conversation regarding the difference between single speed and fixed gear, or a single speed versus fixed gear bikes. The two types of bikes are for sure stylish and straightforward, and they both have got a unique allure and appeal that keeps riders coming back for more. So, what is it about these bikes that makes them stand out from each other? That is what we will look at: single speed versus fixed gear. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before we dive in fully into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, share and like this video to stay updated on our future uploads. Basics of cycling, fixed gear and single speed bikes uncovered. To the untrained eye, a single speed bike and a fixed gear bike might appear to be the same. But once you scratch beneath the surface, you'll find that these two bicycle breeds each carry their unique charm and quirks. Let's look at the fixed gear bikes, also referred to as the fixie bike. The fixie, which is short for a form of saying fixed gear bike, is the epitome of simplicity in motion. The outstanding characteristic of the fixed gear bike is its drivetrain with no freewheel mechanism. This means that when the bike's in motion, and as long as the bike is moving, there's no slacking off or coasting. You pedal for as long as you're moving. It's the ultimate in cycling mindfulness. You're connected to every rotation, every turn of the wheel. The laid-back single speed. Enter the single speed bike, the relaxed sibling in this bicycle family. Like the fixie, it rides on a single gear, but it comes with a freewheel hub, meaning it's capable of coasting. So, on those downhill stretches or when you want to rest your legs, the single speed bike lets you sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Breaking it down, the single speed and fixed gear differences. Although both bikes share the minimalist philosophy, the devil is in the details. Here's what sets these two apart. Though both bikes share a minimalist philosophy, their differences lie in the details that set each apart. A tale of freewheel. Freewheel mechanisms make an enormous, impactful statement about their ride's difference between one another. Fixed gear. When cycling on a fixie bike, the freewheel is conspicuously absent, meaning every pedal counts in this journey. The rear wheel and pedals work in unison to offer an organic experience. Single speed bike. On the contrary, single speed bikes value independence. Their freewheel hub enables its rear wheel to spin freely off pedaling action, allowing coasting or taking breaks whenever desired from pedaling activity. These fundamental differences create a vastly distinct riding experience. Fixed gear bicycles, fixies. When riding a fixie, you are always engaged in the center of it all. The constant need to pedal provides a vigorous workout and allows you nuanced control over the bike's speed. Slow down by pedaling slower, speed up by pedaling faster. Single speed. The single speed bike is more about savoring the journey. The freedom to the coast makes for a more leisurely, relaxed ride. This makes single speed bikes excellent for casual cruising or longer commutes where constant pedaling can turn into a chore. The highs and lows, pros and cons. Just as every rose has its thorn, both single speed and fixed gear bikes come with their benefits and trade-offs. The fixie, not for the faint of heart. Plus side, the fixie offers a potent workout, perfect for fitness junkies. It also allows for intricate control over the bike's movement. Plus, with fewer moving parts, maintenance is often a breeze. Downside, the constant pedaling can be tiring, and hills can prove challenging due to the lack of gear options. Single speed bikes cafe serve as jack of all trades. In their favor, single speed bikes offer comfort and simplicity in one convenient package. Their ability to coast across terrain makes them the ideal companions for city commutes or relaxing park rides alike. Asterisk. Downside of MTB riding. Your speed control may rely heavily on brakes, and your workout won't be as intense compared to fixies. As to which bicycle would better meet your personal tastes and riding goals, single speed or fixed gear, ultimately it all boils down to you based on personal preference and riding aspirations. If you seek an intense workout that responds instantly to every movement on the pedals, then perhaps a fixie might be ideal, while for more casual rides to relax into surroundings, and single-speed bike may provide greater enjoyment, no matter your choice. So there you have it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!